Well guys, I built another mess. Anyway, so all you can hear sounds like a rod knock, but it's not. It's just the way these things run. So anyway, I got the muffler on there. Oh man, that thing always freaking gets me. Anyway, so I had to do some weird, crazy, stupid stuff to this muffler. Anyway, as you can see, it's a little mushroomed. I was trying to beat this onto this pipe. So as you can see, I had to twist it, crimp it. So I basically took the stock old piece off of the other muffler, and then I crimped this pipe. This is one of those elbows. So I crimped that pipe onto there, and as you can see all those shavings, and you can see these two top bolts are a little bit bigger. Anyway, had to drill them out, had to tap them. Anyway, worked out pretty good. Got a couple little dings in the pipe, but it's not as restrictive as the other one. So at least it's, you know, that big all the way up. That's 2.5 inch pipe that's in there. It seems to idle a lot better. So yeah, I just want to spray paint that a little bit just to see what it looks like on it. So I'm going to use some Krylon Farm and Implement Weather Guard Protection John Deere Green High Gloss Enamel. Anyway, oh, this can look like it's blown up. So just gonna paint it real quick and see how it does. It says, hats off to your local plumber. Yep, I guess that's the color I'm going to use. So, because I cannot find Yanmar green, Yanmar yellow, whatever color it is. Anyway, I've got a big old mess over here. So, yeah, a lot of mess actually. So, anyway. Probably gonna go inside and drink a Bang energy drink, relax for a little bit. It's not that hot today actually. It's probably like mid 80s, 92-ish maybe. So it's not really that hot. I don't remember drinking all this. Must have evaporated. Ugh, that's nasty. I'll never drink that again. So anyway, I'm gonna go sip on a Bang, upload a video, and yeah, that's pretty much it for the muffler on it. Yeah, and that's it. All I got for you guys today. Well, for now, till I come back out and start cracking out on something. Maybe, just maybe, because I am dirty. I have been welding, so I smell like burnt metal or metal shavings. Maybe I'll come back out and get this thing lined up, get the mounts on. I at least want to try to get these two in the front on. And if I can get those two in the front on, then the back should be easy enough, because I just gotta mark it and drill through the frame. So anyway guys, stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Check out my boy One and Glenn. Check out previous video. Like, dislike, don't care. Later.